Hello explorers, today let's learn how to correct use each and every. Let's begin. Each students must submit their assignment. Can you guess what mistake is there in this sentence? The correct sentence is each student must submit their assignment. Each is for individual things, so use singular. Every of them passed the test. The correct sentence is each of them passed the test, or simply everyone passed the test. Every boy and girl are invited. No, the correct sentence will be every boy and girl is invited. After every, use singular verbs. Understanding each and every will make your sentences much more accurate. Keep it up and I'll see you in my next episode.